This is the stone gate of the old town of Zagreb, and it is an altar to the Virgin that has survived many vicissitudes. Walter Despal, in part of Schumann's concerto for cello and orchestra in A minor. Well, since we're running the musical gamut, we better have a little rock and roll. Vestisi, called The Witches, playing at the Art Deco National University Library, and a fair amount of the old boogieing on down going on. You feel finger in the ear folk, and the Hey Nonny No from Lado performing their arcane rites at Dolace, the biggest market in Zagreb. And this is the modern side of this historic old city, characterized by the percussion of Igor Leshnik. Ancient and modern. Finally, the orchestra, forming part of the Hallelujah Chorus. The orchestra which will be accompanying all the entries tonight. The Zagreb Philharmonic. Now we're going to get a quick reprise of the Euro jingle from all participants, and then, lads, we'll be ready to go. Good man, Boschko.